Hey buddies, Jaromsz here.
For today's video, we are going to do a tutorial on how to pay Philhealth via Gcash app. First thing that you're going to do is open your Gcash app. Then tap Bills. Tap Government. Search for Philhealth and then you will be given options. Since we are voluntary or self-earning members, we need to click that. But if you are an OFW or an employer, you need to click the correct option. Then you will be redirected here. Just input the Philhealth number, your name, choose the applicable month that you are going to pay, email address, and the amount. Please note that there is an 8 peso service charge for this transaction. And if everything is okay, click next. Double check all the details again, then tap confirm. And we're done paying our Philhealth. You can check your Philhealth contribution via eGov app.
So that's it for today. See you in your next tutorial, buddies.